Yo, what's up? It's your boy JJ Mom Swede. Another day, another Swedish reaction. You get me? In today's video, we're reacting to Gaboro 2 Glocks. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Yo, what's up? Before we get into today's video, I just want to say, if you got any recommendations, any videos, anything you want me to watch on this channel, come join the Discord. The link is in the description. Click that link. You'll be showing these 3 channels. Go to the rules, read the rules. Click the tick after you read the rules, and then after you'll be open to all these channels. And for this channel right here, Swede Reacts, drop any videos, any Swedish songs you want me to react to in this channel right here. You get me? But if you're gonna drop songs, please make sure that have English translation, English subtitles, please. Thank you. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Let's go. Alright, here we have it. Gaboro 2 Glocks unofficial music video, English subtitles. You already know how it goes. Let's get into it, bro. Let's see what they're saying on this shit. Let's go. Oh, this is summer shit, hey. This is some summer shit. They got their t-shirts off out in the backyard, barbecuing off and all that. Some summer shit which is suitable for the weather right now. And also, fuck the weather right now, bro. I know I'm on about it being cold, but this hay fever is killing my eyes, bro. My eyes are hurting.
The Gaboro ولك G-shit alla runt mig är äkta. Om jag känner byter rollen till Patek, ja. In the trap, hon går ner för ett streck, ha. De har glömt, jag har lärt.
The trap, she goes for a line.
Byter rollen till Patek, ja. In the trap, hon går ner för ett streck, ha. De har glömt, jag har lärt.
Goes down for a line. Going down for a line is crazy. Motherfuckers out there were sucking dick for a line of snow. Gets to a point, bruh. It gets to a point, nah. Cocaine's too much, but am I even I don't give a fuck at this point, fuck it. Going down, giving someone head for snow is crazy.
Byter rollen till Patek, ja. In the trap, hon går ner för ett streck, ha. De har glömt, jag har lärt mig den läxan. 1 kilogram Abby, adi. Och jag mättar alla kunder som det vore candy. Smeknamn daddy.
I said I'm feeding every customer like
Kilogram Abby, adi. Och jag mättar alla kunder som det vore candy. Smeknamn daddy, Bobby. Sen har skrattat sina vänner, stora G-nackney. Är inte stolt men jag råkar. Bara driftigast i stan på att distribuera koka. Länge sen det var torka. La din årslön på min klocka.
Nah, this is crazy, yeah. You know how they say rappers snitch on themselves in their song? This whole shit is about bro selling cocaine and receiving head for cocaine. Crazy.
Stora G-nackney. Är inte stolt men jag råkar. Bara driftigast i stan på att distribuera koka. Länge sen det var torka. La din årslön på min klocka. 30 grader med fryser. Med precis en kontakt ner i Bryssel. Våra namn, stora namn, lätt poliser. Som vi gjort det med åren, jag ryser. 2 Glocks i olika versioner. Din broder är fitta, min broder en broder. 2 ops för att ligga under jorden. Testa du mig, jag kapabel.
2 ops who made them lie 6 feet deep. Man said I am capable of murder. And I believe you the way you're holding that gun right there. I don't know what gun it is, but I believe you, G. Alright, I gotta stop the video real quick. You can see from this graph right here, 89.6% of you watching this right now are not subscribed. What the fuck are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 200 subs. We're trying to reach 500. We're trying to reach 1,000. How are we gonna do that if you ain't hitting the subscribe button? Hit the subscribe button right now. And shout out to the 10% of you that are subscribed, you the real ones. For those who are not, hit that subscribe button and stop being a batty boy. Alright, back to the video.
Två ops för att ligga under jorden. Testa du mig, jag kapabel för mordlän. 3 apor i min zoo, bränner värde för min bror. Får en blixtra Pikachu, in the jungle som Baloo. Utomlands i ett kontor, I am highest in the room. Baguetter på...
Hey, shout out to Travis Scott, man's highest in the room, you get me? He's the highest in the room.
In the jungle som Baloo. Utomlands i ett kontor, I am highest in the room. Baguetter på länkar. Vart vill du linka din pussy? Det stick up, vi håller det 100. Tyst på förhören, ingen jävel öppnar tunga. Vi tar risker som vi jackass. Dealen hade 20 med brorsan, vi hade blackjack. Flera saker ger mig flashback. Stänger inte lappen, brorsan vill inte ha cashback. Hård och alltid så jag lärt sen jag liten. 50-50 jag delade på biten. Tacka Gud varenda morgon jag var Vincent. Tunnelseende fått mina ögon hämta vinsten. 30 grader med fri.
Nah, thank the Lord always, man. Thank God always, you know what I'm saying? God is the way.
Och jag lärt sen jag liten. 50-50 jag delade på biten. Tacka Gud varenda morgon jag var Vincent. Tunnelseende fått mina ögon hämta vinsten. 30 grader med fryser.
30 degrees still freezing. Bro said it can be 30 degrees, but I'm still freezing cold with all this ice on me.
Precis en kontakt ner i Bryssel. Våra namn, stora namn, lätt de lyser. Som vi gjort det med åren jag ryser. 2 Glocks i olika versioner. Din broder är fitta, min broder en broder. 2 obs för att ligga under jorden. Testa du mig, jag kapabel för mordlän. 3 apor i min zoo, bränner värde för min bror. Får en blixtra Pikachu, toot 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 toot. In the jungle som Baloo, utomlands i ett kontor. I am highest in the room.
He the highest in the room. You heard? He the highest in the room, you heard? Nah, WW track, that shit was cool, bruh. Gaboro, 2 Glocks, that shit was cool, you know what I'm saying? I like it, it was cool. Let me know what you all think in the comments down below. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and join the Discord as well, you get me? And drop a comment. Did I say that? I don't know, bro. I hope you all enjoyed, man. Take care, God bless and peace. Much love, much love, much love. Peace.
About 100 hundreds in the fucking dash, nigga. If you a op, then we on your ass, nigga. Bullets chopping.